If you need to cancel a pending transfer on N26, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your transaction is successfully halted. This guide will help you navigate the process with ease. Step 1. Open the N26 app. Launch the N26 mobile application on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your banking features. Step 2. Navigate to the Transactions section. Once you are in the app, locate the Transactions tab. This section displays all your recent transactions, including any pending transfers. Step 3. Find the pending transfer. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Select the transfer. Tap on the pending transfer to view more details. This will bring up options related to the transaction, including the option to cancel. Step 5. Cancel the transfer. Look for the Cancel Transfer option and select it. Follow any prompts that appear to confirm the cancellation. You should receive a notification confirming that the transfer has been cancelled. By following these steps, you can easily cancel a pending transfer on N26. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to N26 customer support for further assistance.